Good evening, everyone. So, in this lab, we will see one more shortcut key. So, in my last video, you have seen that if you want to display current date in a cell, you have to press Ctrl and semicolon. Okay, here. Now, in this lab, we will see that how to display current time using shortcut key. Okay, so here, if I write here, show current time, and in this cell, suppose if I want to display the current time, so currently now it is 9:40 p.m. you see here. So to display 9:40 p.m. here, you have to press a shortcut key, that is Control Shift and semicolon. Okay, so if you see this keyboard image, so you have to press Control Shift and semicolon. Okay, so the moment I press here Control Shift and semicolon, you see that current time is displaying. So you see here, to display the current time, you have to press, let me write, uh, shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus semicolon. Okay, so if you want to display the current time, you can use this shortcut key. So practice it. You can see this image also. So to display the current time in a cell, you can press Control Shift and semicolon, and you will get the current time. Okay, so practice it, and if you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section. So thank you very much.